Morning everyone, it's Ian from DIY Home and Gardening. Excuse the shine on my head, but it is ridiculously sunny outside, and obviously I've chosen this morning to do a quick video for you. Well, I say quick, the start of a video, but I'll try and be quick about it. But yeah, it's just showing you how I'm going to pot up these turmeric plants. So if I just pan the camera down a touch, I'm using this multi-purpose with John Innes added to it. It has only about 10% worth of John Innes added, and what I'm also going to do is add a little bit of perlite as well. You can see all that dust coming off, so that's not ideal. So we'll just give it a bit of a mixture, and that will aid with our drainage. And then I'm going to be using this pot. So this is a 4-litre pot. So as this is all a bit of an unknown, I'm not quite sure how it will do in the pot and how quickly they will bulk up, but I'm anticipating that they will do quite nicely. But I have grossly underestimated how much compost I should have mixed. So anyway, I filled it up to within about 3 inches. Now I'm going to try and carefully get these out. So as always, what I do is I use my fingers just as support around there. Well, that's the unrooted ones coming out, which we'll carefully pop to one side. Although some have got shoots on them starting to form and roots, see? So we'll have to pop those back in, but we'll continue with this method. So just lose those bits, and what I'll try and do is tease these apart, so just not too much force, but a little bit of force. Yeah, so it's got some good shoots to it, so we'll use one piece of that there. And that's one section. So I was under the impression that actually it was just one piece that had shooted, and then that's another piece. So let's try and start this a little bit carefully. So what I'll do is I'll just lay the root out flat, pop that one in, and then I'll pop that one in, and that third one in. So for the time being, I'm just going to do the 3 of them there. So let me see if you can see that. Right, just pop those to one side. So get some more perlite. I can get my hands out. So the reason I'm using perlite is because, one, it will retain a bit of moisture, but it adds to the aeration of it, and because I'd used it in the original mix when I set the tubers out, I kind of have a bit of confidence that, well, as they've grown with the perlite around them, then they will probably be alright with the same mixture. So all I'm doing now though is obviously where the tubers were exposed fully to the sun before, I'm now covering them over, which includes that one had only just started sprouting. So lightly firming, so be careful of the stems. And just left about an inch worth of gap at the top, and now just give them a light watering to help settle the soil around the tubers. And that will be it. I won't give them any more water for well, probably in another couple of weeks, I would think. And that's that. So let's see what happens, shall we? And yeah, I'll come back once we got a little bit more development. So see you guys soon. Well, we're back. Fortnight's passed since I did the well, started filming this video, and this is all the turmeric. So this is the small rhizomes that I'd put in that were just starting to show some swelling on the buds. So I gave them a good soak this morning, and you can see they're performing nicely. And this is the container. So yeah, doing really well. As you can see, it's really come on a treat, and yeah, just have to wait and see what it does now. Well, see what all of it does. So this lot here, for this season, I'm just going to actually leave them like that and just let them bulk up a little bit. I say it's a new plant for me to try and grow, so just thought I'd leave those essentially growing in that tray. And yeah, those ones I'm just going to let those fill the pot up and see what they actually do as well. So yeah, it's hope for some good things, and yeah, if there's any other developments, then I'll do another video. But in the meantime, that's it, done. So all that remains to say is thanks for watching the video. Hope you found it useful. If you've got any questions, then send them to me and I'll do my best to answer them for you. Keep subscribing to the channel. Great to see new subscribers each week. Don't forget to hit that reminder button so you don't miss out on what I'm doing. And yeah, just keep having fun in your garden or with your plants indoors. And see you soon. Bye for now.